Rainforests are a vital natural resource. They take in vast amounts of carbon dioxide, provide oxygen, and regulate global climates. And we are, via deforestation, disrupting the natural processes that go on within them. The vegetation within the rainforests are extremely important in keeping them going, for many reasons. The foliage protects the soil from direct rainfall, which will erode the soil away, and the roots in the soil bind it together, making it stronger and more resistant. This keeps the soil there, which is necessary to support the vast amount of vegetation found in a rainforest. It's vitally important that we keep the rainforest, as we rely on them for so much. We call all of the positives that the rainforest provides ecosystem services, and these include clean air and water, soil, minerals and nutrients, pollination, fish and game. However, humans are rapidly removing the biomass from these ecosystems, mainly via deforestation. By disrupting the vegetation, we lose the positives that we mentioned earlier. By replacing the natural rainforest with agricultural monocultures, we don't protect the soil as well. We reduce the biodiversity, as we are replacing numerous species with just a few, and the increased soil erosion means the soil ends up in waterways, silting them up. The lack of soil means that the plants can't then grow in the future, which causes the area to become barren, a process known as desertification. It's not only on land that we are causing problems. We are fishing at an unsustainable rate, taking resources at a rate that we cannot replace them at. To allow us to sustainably harvest, we need to ensure that we only take resources at a rate which they can be replaced. To do this, we need to either enforce quotas, meaning there's a limit on the amount of fish that we can catch in 1 year, or restock, add in young fish to replace the ones that we are taking, and only catch them once they've grown to a certain size. It's important to remember that when we enforce these rules, that we understand that there is a tension that comes between conserving the ecosystem whilst also recognising the rights of the indigenous communities who have lived there and may have relied on these resources for survival for many years, and are not causing the problems, as they are removing the resources at a rate which is sustainable and are being negatively affected by our conservation actions.